Hello everyone, I am Yogesh Kushwaha from SPNIT Surat. Here I have designed a mat foundation for a 23-story building. Here I have taken a dead load and live load from the building I have designed in ETABS, and by taking that dead load and live load I have designed this footing. So here I have already analyzed one time it. So the building is the footing is locked. Now we have to open and I have to design it again because the punching shear values are more than 1 in that case. So I have assigned all the properties like define material properties, like I have assigned material HYSD 500 M40, and if we want to modify that by we can modify it from it here. And okay, after that I have also defined the slab properties like mat footing, like or add new. You can modify from here. M40, select here from M40, then click OK, and thickness of the form. Previously analysis I have taken the thickness 500 mm, so the punching shear values are more than 1. So it is showing the foundation is fail against shear. So I have to design it again and change the thickness of the and column properties I have assigned. I have used two types of column, that is column 1 is 500 by 500 and column 2 is 600 by 600 mm. So these outer columns are of 500 by 500 and inner columns are of 600 by 600 mm. After that I have checked load patterns, that is dead load and live load, and then load cases, that is dead load and live load, and load combinations. So here I have taken two combinations, that is combination 1 and combination 2. So by you can add it from here, like combination 1 either live 1, dead 1, and similarly live. So by scale factor like this, combination 1 modify, here I will show you here, and combination 1 is dead and live, here is scale factor 1.5 in ultimate case, okay. And in combination 2 I have taken dead and live, scale factor 1 and 1 in service case. After that I have all, and then fitting design, and then I have and then grid lines, and here properties HYSD in this shear strips, and this column strips, all are. And after that I have to run a design analysis. So here I have started analysis. So here is the output of it, and again run analysis and design. So design check, this is for design check. After moving the we can see the displacement over the by moving the cursor in this, and then after show punching and shear design. So you can see here the values are more than 1. So here is a in more columns, so here is a punching shear failure in this case. So we have to design it again. So by here the building is locked, the footing is again locked model, and we have to unlock it, and now change the soil substrate thickness of the slab properties, modify slab thickness, take it 900 mm. Now okay, as we have already assigned it, so the properties is already changed. By then again perform analyze. can see the displacement, and then again run analyze and design check. So you can see here now display punching shear. So here values are still more than 1, then we have to increase the thickness again. So again we have to unlock it and then define slab properties, modify and 1200, then again run. Run analysis and design. Now again check for punching shear values. So now all values are less than 1, so it is good to go. So you can view a 3D view of this model from here. Extrude and then click OK and see. This is a 3D view of this mat footing. After that we will go to the show strips forces. So in layer 1 we can see a shear and apply. So you can see here by moving the cursor, shear values, here shear force values. In layer, both layer you can also see, and layer 1 or CL forces. Again show the slab design. So impose minimum reinforcement and layer 1 and A and B. So here you can see the reinforcement detailing, top and bottom reinforcement in layer 1 and layer A and B. So you can see slab forces and stresses. So by combination 1 and 2. So so here maximum moment and then apply. You can see here the maximum moment. And shear force, maximum shear force. And then in detailing, you can see the reinforcement detailing, slab views and rebar table. You can see the rebar table here and rebar schedule by double clicking on it. So here the rebar schedule, build quantities and mat. So rebar plan from here and section 1 reinforcement detailing from section 1, reinforcement detailing for section 2 and top rebar plan for all bars.